If you're wondering how to integrate ShopWired with PayPal, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can start accepting PayPal payments on your ShopWired store quickly and easily. You'll want to stay till the end because I'll also share some insights on other software that might actually suit your needs better and even give you an exclusive extended free trial just for watching this video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your ShopWired account and head to the settings area. From here, go to Payment Gateways, where you can choose which payment providers you want to set up for your store. PayPal, being one of the most common payment options, is always one you should consider. Once you're in the section, you'll see an option to enable PayPal. Next, you need to click on Add PayPal. ShopWired will prompt you to enter your PayPal merchant credentials. This is where you'll connect your PayPal account directly to your ShopWired store. Make sure the PayPal account is already set up, or you'll need to create one. It's important to ensure the credentials you input are correct to avoid any issues with transactions later on. The third thing you need to do is adjust the settings for PayPal. Here, you can choose how you want PayPal to work in terms of the checkout experience. Do you want it to be a standard PayPal button, or would you prefer a PayPal Express checkout option? PayPal Express is generally quicker, letting customers complete their purchases without leaving the page, so it's a smoother user experience. Once your settings are configured, make sure to test your integration. Visit your store as if you're a customer, add something to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Choose PayPal as the payment method to ensure the system works as expected. This is critical. Sometimes integrations may have glitches that you don't want your customers to experience. Next thing you should know is that PayPal does charge fees for transactions. Typically, these are around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which might be a factor to consider when deciding if PayPal is the right option for your store. While PayPal is widely trusted, there are other payment providers that charge lower fees or offer different features that might better suit your business model. The fourth thing I want to point out is that ShopWired's platform, while solid for many, does have some limitations in terms of customization and scalability compared to its competitors. While it's simple to integrate PayPal with ShopWired, you may find that other platforms offer more flexibility or additional features that could improve your overall store management and customer experience. Now, here's the important part. I want to share a competitor with you that has a better setup for larger businesses and more extensive integration options, Shopify. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to set up PayPal, and their platform offers more tools for marketing, automation, and customization. While Shopify does have a steeper learning curve, it's worth considering if you're serious about scaling. And as promised, the video mentioned that we have an exclusive extended free trial to this software, but we've also got some amazing alternatives that may suit your needs better for the goal mentioned in the title. Those also have free trials. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while integrating PayPal with ShopWired is relatively easy, keep in mind that there are other platforms that might be better suited to your needs, depending on the scale and goals of your business. Make sure to check out the alternatives and take advantage of that exclusive offer.